Welcome back students. Hope you have watched my previous video and have understood it. In the previous video we have discussed that what is constitution and why do we need a constitution. Now you might be wondering that what does constitution do? Let us discuss about it. Students, there are many countries and every country has a diverse group of people, democratic or not. Every country needs a constitution. Any club, association, a cooperative society, or a political party all need a constitution. Constitution is the supreme law and it does many things. First of all, it generates trust and coordination between different kinds of people who live together. It tells how the government will be formed, who will have powers to take and which decisions. It lays limits on the powers of the government. It tells us the rights of the citizens. It expresses the hope of the people about creating a good society. Students, it is not necessary that all countries that have a constitution are democratic, but all countries that are democratic will have constitution. Now, after the War of Independence, Americans gave themselves a constitution. After the revolution, French people approved democratic constitution. Since that time, it has become a practice in all the democracies to have a written constitution. Now, students, let us talk about the Indian constitution. Indian constitution was drawn up under very difficult circumstances. At that time, the country was born through a partition on the basis of religious differences. At least 10 lakh people were killed in violence. Not only this, the British had left it to the rulers of princely states to decide whether they wanted to merge India or with Pakistan or remain independent. The merge of these princely states was a difficult and uncertain task. Despite all these difficulties, there was one big advantage. Unlike South America, they did not have to create a consensus, that is, general agreement. Much of this consensus had evolved during the freedom struggle. It was not a struggle against foreign rule, but to reunite our country. British gave voting rights to only a few. So, in the year 1928, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders drafted a constitution for India. It included values like universal adult franchise, right to freedom and equality, protecting the rights of minorities. Our leaders learned from other countries. We have adopted details from colonial laws like Government of India Act 1935. Ideals of French Revolution has inspired us. Practice of parliamentary democracy in Britain. Bill of Rights in US. Socialist revolution in Russia. But the best part is that the makers were not just imitating what others had done, but at each step they were questioning whether these things will suit our country or not. All these factors contributed in making of our constitution. That's all. Have a nice day.